Welcome back to AK Cars Reviews. Today we are diving into one of the most anticipated hypercars of the decade, the 2026 Ferrari F80. This car is not just a machine, it is a symbol of Italian artistry combined with futuristic engineering. Ferrari has once again pushed the boundaries of design, aerodynamics, and performance to bring enthusiasts something that feels like a masterpiece, born for both the racetrack and the road. Starting with the exterior, the Ferrari F80 instantly commands attention. The design language is aggressive yet elegant, clearly inspired by Ferrari's racing DNA, but refined to perfection for the streets. At the front, the low-slung nose features razor-sharp LED headlights integrated into the aerodynamic bodywork, while massive air intakes carve through the bumper to cool the hybrid powertrain. The sculpted hood is functional, well as beautiful, channeling airflow smoothly across the car. Along the sides, you'll notice the bold lines and deep cuts in the panels, which reduce drag and increase downforce. The doors open dramatically, emphasizing its hypercar presence. At the rear, a futuristic diffuser, slim taillights, and a massive active wing all work together to keep the F80 planted at high speeds. Every inch of this car has been crafted with aerodynamic efficiency in mind, giving it the look of a jet fighter ready to take off. Moving inside, the cabin of the Ferrari F80 feels like stepping into a high-tech cockpit. Ferrari has gone for a minimalistic yet futuristic design, with driver-focused ergonomics. The steering wheel incorporates touch controls, paddle shifters, and even drive mode selectors, staying true to Ferrari's philosophy of keeping everything within reach. The digital instrument cluster stretches wide, offering customizable displays for performance data, navigation, and driving modes. Lightweight carbon fiber and Alcantara dominate the interior, reducing unnecessary weight while creating a premium racing-inspired atmosphere. The seats are slim, sculpted, and built for both comfort and aggressive driving support, giving you that race car feel without compromising long-distance usability. Despite being a hypercar, Ferrari has still integrated cutting-edge infotainment, voice control, and connectivity features to make sure the driver and passenger remain connected on every journey. Now, let's talk performance, the heart of what makes the Ferrari F80 so remarkable. Under the sculpted hood sits a revolutionary hybrid powertrain, combining a twin-turbo V8 engine with advanced electric motors. Together, this setup produces around 1,200 horsepower, making the F80 one of the most powerful Ferraris ever built. Power is delivered to all four wheels through a lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission, ensuring maximum grip and precision. The B3 car can sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 2.3 seconds, and top speed is expected to exceed 370 km per hour, putting it in the league of the world's fastest hypercars. Ferrari has also equipped it with advanced torque vectoring, active aerodynamics, and a next-generation hybrid system that not only boosts performance, but also improves efficiency. Driving the F80 means experiencing Formula One technology adapted for the road, offering blistering speed, razor-sharp handling, and an unforgettable soundtrack from the hybrid powertrain. As for the price, exclusivity is part of the package. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is expected to be priced around $2.5 million, depending on specifications and customizations. Limited production numbers will make this car even more desirable, ensuring only a select few collectors and enthusiasts will ever get to own one. It's not just a car, it's an investment in Ferrari's future vision of performance and design. The Ferrari F80 represents the ultimate blend of passion, technology, and innovation. With its striking exterior, futuristic interior, and mind-blowing performance figures, this hypercar is set to become a legend. Ferrari has always been about more than speed. It's about emotion, heritage, and the feeling of being connected to something extraordinary. And the F80 takes all of that to the next level. This concludes our detailed review of the 2026 Ferrari F80. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to AK Cars Reviews for more in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest supercars and hypercars. Stay tuned, because the future of performance is only getting faster.